All right, sorry for the I thought this video I thought the last one was not recording. So okay, we're talking about price changing, changing the structure from down to up. Okay, so price comes down here. Remember the rules, right? If it is an uptrend, price must not break the previous low. But in this case, price came here, right? Through to it, it didn't break this low. Fine. Price moves back up, boom. Now we thought if it is, of course, you know the rule is in an uptrend, price must break this high. But it didn't break it, it just stopped here. So what does that tell you? Trend is changing. Price came, not only this low did it break, it came and broke this one straight down. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? So price keeps going down. Price just make a little pullback. Pullback, of course, price must move back. Price cannot keep going in one direction. Breaks this low and came and broke this one. Are you seeing it now? Okay. Down. And then another huge pullback. Okay, so it's just exactly what we have drawn before. Price comes, break this one, right, and then pulls back again, pulls back. Now this pullback is very large, but the truth is it didn't break this high or this high, so it doesn't matter how big the pullback is, it doesn't matter so long as it doesn't break the previous high, no problem. So price pulls back to that region, and then price comes to break this one. We'll not look at this one again because this one didn't break anything here. Price breaks this one, and then what about this? Price makes another higher low, another lower high, sorry, and then breaks this one. Okay, it doesn't matter if you know how to call higher high, higher low. That does not make you, it will not make you to make money. That is not the key to making money in forex. Okay, so if you don't know how to, which one is higher high or which one is higher low, don't bother yourself. That is not where the money is. The money is understanding the trend, and only trade with the trend. Trade with the trend when it is clear. All right, so you can see here price is making another minor shift in the order flow. Are you seeing it? All right, price breaks these two highs, this one, you see it, and started another new journey up. But it's just a minor journey. When we go into time frame and we start doing more complex things, you will understand more. But this is just a way to give you a feeling of what order flow is. I hope you understand to this point. So we have come to the end of episode 1 of this course. So now we'll be moving straight to support and resistance, and I'll be doing it more in depth. Okay, support and resistance, we'll be looking at zones, levels, and their various flips. Zones, levels, and their various flips. So see you in the next class. Yay, congrats on this journey.